Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll be showing you one cool small trick how to have gravity icons on your mobile. So all you need to do is go to the Play Store and download this cool launcher called Gravity Launcher VS. As you can see, this is a cool application and more than 1 million downloads. Now, since this app is available in the Play Store, so you can easily download and use this application. There is no virus or there is no bugs installed. Now, this is not a third-party application. This is directly from the Play Store. Let's open and check it out. The annoying thing in most of the Android application is you get a lot of ads and there's no way to, remove them until you download an ad remover, which is a paid application, and the second option is to root your device, which is again a complicated method. So let's just click on next and see how the launcher behaves. Now, as I said, the annoying thing is that you will have this ad constantly running. There's no way to come out of it. You will have ads coming, in between also. So definitely the developer needs some support. Okay, let's choose Gravity Launcher and click on Always. So all you need to do is click on this app icon. And see this beautiful animation. You can scroll the icons. You can do it upside down. So this is really, fun to use. Also, you can just play with some app icons. You can really, jump them. I'm not sure whether this is a practical launcher, but it's quite cool and the animations are awesome. But again, if you want to use any application, you can just, for example, YouTube, you can just find it out, click over here, and you have your YouTube running. The annoying thing is that when you come out of any application, you have to again go to the launcher setting. For example, if I choose clock icon, now if I go back again, it will take me to the main launcher menu, and again there will be a lot of ads. So to come out again, you need to click over here. If you go to another application, for example, the animations are really cool and you will love it. And as the name suggests, this is the proper replication of gravity icons on your mobile. But again, for some reason, if you want to come out of this launcher, just go to the settings. Click on launcher. I'm doing this on Samsung mobile, but this launcher can be used on any Android phone. Click on home screen, and in the launcher you can choose One UI, which is the default Samsung launcher. Now you're back to your Samsung launcher. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you like the video, kindly click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.